Today I'm going to be reviewing Autoglym's Clean Wheels. Now it does say it removes brake dust from lacquered, alloy, painted or plastic finishes. Yeah, I did say lacquered, and to be honest I've never used a dedicated wheel cleaner before. I normally use a sponge and some shampoo. So it'd be good to see how well it performs against my normal method. Okay, so to get the full test, what I'm going to do is do the two wheels on the passenger side, passenger side with the dedicated cleaner, and the two wheels on the driver's side with my usual method of a sponge and some shampoo. Controversial, I know, and seeing it's the wife's car, I'll ask the wife which side she likes the best. But before we give it a test, let's have a look at the instructions. Ensure your wheels are cool to the touch. Working on one wheel at a time, apply the cleaner generously from the bottom up, fully coating the wheel surface. Use a wheel brush to agitate the cleaner and don't forget the tyre wall. Rinse thoroughly, ensuring the product is fully removed before moving on to the next wheel. Now just going back to point 3, it did say use a wheel brush. Now I did try to get the Autoglym wheel brush and I went to 2 stockists, but unfortunately it wasn't available. So I ended up buying this brush instead. The brush, by the way, costs the same as my usual pint down my local. So you've guessed it, one less pint this week. Hopefully it's a good choice. Now I do have 2 more processes after I've cleaned the wheels. Stay tuned and I'll show you what they are. So let's give it a go. Oh, just before we do test it, there may be some curbing on these wheels. Obviously it's the wife's car, not mine, so I'm not guilty. Okay, so the 2 wheels on the passenger side have now been done by the dedicated cleaner. Now I'm going to do the other 2 wheels on the driver's side with my normal method of a sponge and shampoo. Okay, I've just done all 4 wheels, and I did say right at the beginning of the video I did have one extra step, and that was using the instant tyre dressing. Come and have a look to see what the wheels look like now. Earlier on in the video I did mention that the wife was going to select which wheel she preferred, passenger side or driver's side. Now she's a bit shy and she didn't want to come on camera, which surprises me really because she's always got a lot to say for herself. But anyway, she has made a decision and she says it's the passenger side gets the thumbs up. So what's my thoughts on Autoglym Clean Wheels, and what score shall I give it? Is it any better than my sponge and shampoo method? Well, the wife thinks so, and to be fair, I do too. So what score? I'm going to give Autoglym's Clean Wheels a solid 9 out of 10. And for the brush, yeah, it did the job. 8.5, 9. It would have been good to try the Autoglym brush against that one, just to see what the difference would be. But the brush did stand up to it. Well, that's it for this video. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and until the next one, I'll catch you then.